Hey guys, we're doing another truck fight again. So, we're joining the server right now and work at a pizza place. And, yeah. Alright, let's go. So, my friend is gonna help me out with the video. So, let's open up my house door. And let's go. So... Yes. Okay, so let's do truck fight also. She probably doesn't even know that I want to do truck fight, but I just want to. Oh well. She wants me to make her a pizza, so I'm gonna do that real quick before we start. So I'm gonna make this quick because I don't want to just end the video. So, oh, there's her car. Alright, let's make this fast as possible. What pizza do you want? What pizza do you want? Let's turn up the volume. Okay, cheese. And to be honest, if you ask me, cheese is my favorite pizza. Oh, yay! Okay, guys, I know we're supposed to do truck fight, but I'm gonna make this fast. Okay. There's A-Flan's meat. No, I need that one. Okay, there. I want to give her the pizza slice. Alright, here. Alright, here you go. I'm gonna just take this pizza. You can have the last slice if you want. You just take it. You know, I'll just do it. I'll just do it. Take this truck. Oh my god. Take this truck. I'll get the other one. Okay. Let's do it. Let me deliver the pizza real quick. Just to get that out of the way. I'm just gonna make this quick. Alright, let's do it. Let's go. Alright, truck fight. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Alright, let's do this.